I'm on the eco tourism walk in Hellshire. Second year doing it. Last year was really good, so I think this year promises to be good as well. So I'll try to capture as much as I can so you can see what Hellshire has to offer. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go in the Two Sister Cave because it's closed off to the public. All we could do is walk past it. So stay tuned.
Varying type of mangrove. About 4 different type of mangrove. Red, white, black, and silver. Right? Alright. Within the silver, you have 2 variations. Variation of silver and regular button. So we call one silver button and one regular button mangrove.
Alright. 4 of those are in Jamaica?
Yes. In Jamaica. Actually, black mangroves specifically grow in the drier section. They are not growing into the water. They are closer to the drier section of the land. Let's say you're in a wetland, wet area, but what you'll find is that the black mangroves grow closer to the drier section. Alright? Button mangrove does the same thing. So you will find both button mangrove and black mangrove sticking to the drier section, right? The red mangrove actually goes directly into the water. White will grow into the water as well, but it's in rather a more drier environment as well. But each of them serve different purposes.
So you can look at, as a lay person.
The red mangrove have root tentacles that extend from basically midway the tree coming down to the ground.
Fisherman's paradise. Where they are fish on us. The journey continues. We're not even halfway there yet. After all of the traveling. Right about now, I'm so tired. Fine piece of stick. If it wasn't for this stick, I could not have gone through those rocky areas at the beach. So we're heading down to the shrimp factory. That location. It's beautiful here on this road. Well, yeah, if you want to call it a road. But heading down to the shrimp factory. Let's see what awaits us down that side. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, that's a shrimp factory, old shrimp factory.
And leave them thing up here, so. Alright, look. Right, that's what I'm saying to you. All of these tanks are in operation.
And them still look pristine. And then there was a filtration system.
Right, you get the understand what I'm saying? If it works in operation, building old people. No, not this one.
Down here was supposed to be a wastewater treatment plant. Yes, this location. But thank God that they didn't. Thank God that never worked out. Yes. The value of the ecosystem in terms of the species that are here and the role they play in the broader scope of things that we need to explain.
End of our journey.
Behind the mangroves.